Alright, welcome to the channel guys. Today in this video I'll be sharing my experience with the HRX MTB 500. So I have been using this bike for around past 6 months now, and I'll be sharing my experience with the bike. So before buying this bike I was actually considering the Decathlon ST50, but somehow this bicycle flashed in front of my eyes and I just bought it because this has all the features which the higher version of the Decathlon ST100 has, like the trigger shifters, curved and very tough rims, both disc brakes. So yeah, I have been using it from past 6 months now, and it's pretty good bike, I can say. Thankfully I got the stand with it. I didn't have to buy from outside like the Decathlon cycles, which will not be coming with the side stand. Starting with the pros and cons, let's get done with the cons first. So the first con is the front gear you see here. It comes with 21 speed gear system, 7 at the back and 3 at the front. So the front gears stopped working after around like 2 months. So when I shift the gears from here, it doesn't shift. So that was the one con. And the next thing is it has got rusted at many places. You can see after getting contact with water it got rusted here and here as well. As you could see, it's been rusted. So that was the second con. And the third one is the stickering you see here is coming out. So it's not really printed, it's the stickers which are coming out, which is not a big issue, but still it comes under a negative. So yeah, that. And one more thing is that the screw system you see here on the handlebar, it keeps losing up. The handle will be losing, so I have to tighten it once in a while using the Allen key. So yeah, that was all about the cons. And the pros of the cycle is, as I said, this cycle has all the features which higher version of Decathlon has, which is the ST100. So that will cost you around 25,000, but I got this bike for half of the price, that is around 11,000 on Flipkart sale. As I said, it comes with the stand as well, which is a good thing, and a reflector as well. And it has disc brake at the front and the back as well, which works pretty well. And it comes with Shimano 21 speed gear, as I said, which is of very good quality. So this is how the gear system looks like. The rear gear is working pretty well till now. So I have been riding around 15 to 18 kilometers every day from past 6 months, not continuously but mostly. So I have rode this bicycle around 1000 kilometers and still it is doing pretty well. And one more thing is about the front shock absorbers. So I could say these are good for nothing. It works but doesn't serve the purpose, so it is good for show. And the next good thing is the trigger shifters. So as I said, this is useless now, it is not working. I should get it fixed, the front gear, but the rear one is working very fine and it is of very good quality. The triggers are very good quality, but I have to fix this front adderall. And apart from that, this is a pretty good bike if you are looking for a best budget bicycle around 11,000-12,000. You can just go for it. And one more thing is that you have this little grip here, where you can rest your fist. As you could see, these are the grips, and it comes with all the reflectors. So reflectors on the rim, front reflector, rear reflector. It also comes with the hook adjustable seat, so you can adjust your seat level easily, but it doesn't come with the front, this hook type removable front tire. It comes with a screw, so I have to unbolt it to remove the front tire. As you could see, the pedals are also of very good quality. So yeah guys, this was all about this bike. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down below. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.